intro. What does intro mean? Can you please tell me for any YouTube channel? For example, think that you are into a YouTube channel. Uh, okay, so intro. What is intro? Do you know what is intro? You create one introductory video for the channel. Yes, you create one introduction video. We call it as intro video. So what does an intro video have? Introductory video. What does an intro video have? Like for example, my kid was watching Nikki and Vlad. Okay, they had something like what they say. They put their this one, and then they have written it something Nikki and Vlad. Okay, after that the video plays out. Right, name of the channel should pop up whenever you're going to go ahead with an intro video. Remember that. Okay. So what is an outro video, or we call it as extra video? You know, at the end they'll mention subscribe to our channel. Correct. They'll also mention like here. This is our Facebook page. This is our Instagram page. This is our what we say. Okay, we call it as an outro video. Fine. Okay, so whatever you're creating for the YouTube or anywhere, you have to have your own intro video at first, intro video, and then an outro video as well. Okay, then you can just, because now it is a trend of shorts. Okay, shorts. But if you are creating the, if you are thinking of creating a long videos, then you must have an intro video and an outro video. Remember that. Fine. Okay, so if it is a short, you don't have to have intro videos, but we are going to go ahead with very what we say basic to advanced level of video editing. So just make sure that you are having your intro videos and outro videos. Okay, I'll be explaining to you how to create your intro videos inshallah soon now. Okay, then I'll also tell you how to create the YouTube thumbnail, and I'm sure inshallah audio editing with Canva will also be discussed. Fine, so let's begin now inshallah without any delay. So just open up the Canva. Are you all ready with the Canva software? Are you all finding this design tool a stunning way to create visuals? Yes? By now, hopefully, yes, inshallah. Because you know this such a user friendly interface you might not be finding in on any other software apart from this. I'm telling you, I have actually gone through at least 5 to 6 designing tools and then landed back to this, and this is such an user friendly, such an easy to use, such a what we say compact software wherein you have all in one, what we say all in one tools, designing tools. So you have learned all in one over here inshallah. So now let's begin inshallah. So now dear sisters and brothers, I was telling you about intro videos and outro videos. You create one for yourself, I already told you. So what is an intro video? You know, you have the channel, you have your logo popping up in the intro video. For example, think that I'll just put my designs. I'll just go ahead with the logo that we had designed. Do you remember the logos that we had designed? Yes. You know, you can just put animate those logos and make it as an intro video. For example, where is our logo? Where did we design a logo? If you have the logos designed, just animate the logo and create the intro video. That's all. Okay, for example, okay, we'll do that later. First, what we'll do, we'll just go ahead with the video designing. Click on create button and just write video there. Okay, so video. So now when you design the video, you have different types of video. Fine. One is a video that is called as landscape. This is a YouTube video, correct? Video on the mobile. This is a short video. This is all short, all kind of shorts, reels. Okay. Then what? Shorts. Okay, TikTok videos, etc., etc. All of these. A Facebook video, it might be 3:4. Usually, you go ahead with either the shorts or this one, two in one. Okay, if you want long videos, go ahead with this video aspect ratio. If you want short videos, go ahead with this. That's all. Video message, this is for the WhatsApp video message you can send. If you want to create the collags, also you can create video collags as well, but you can do it in your own video, landscape video. So now let's just go ahead with landscape video, because shorts already thought, because while you were editing the flyers, it was all the shorts, 5-second shorts, 15-second shorts, right? Already you have understood how to edit the shorts. It's nothing but whatever flyers you were creating, you can just animate it and create it very easily. Fine. So you also have generate video instantly, but it won't give you the proper results. Fine. If it won't give you the proper results, so we don't go ahead with the generate videos instantly. Fine. If you want, you can even go ahead with that. It is an AI feature. It is a new AI feature. It is called as magic designing. It will generate the videos instantly within a moment. So I'll add this 2 files, and they want 10 files actually. So I'll just put some 2 more. Okay. And then you just have to describe what it wants to give you. It will give you 136 credit. This AI will generate the video for you and give it to you. Fine. For example, I'll just go ahead with, I don't want this. This is a Hadith flyer that I was taking yesterday. So I think I'll just create it with, okay. let me just remove all of this. I'll create it with the very first one. Let it be this EDU-SITE logo. Then I'll add this Quranic stuff. I mean the Quranic flyers. Okay, this three. Okay. So what I'll do is make a video, make a Quran video. It actually doesn't gives you the proper this one, and just click on generate. It takes some time to generate. It will generate that in minutes. But what happens over here is it won't be very perfect. Fine. It won't be very perfect. It is an AI way of designing the videos. Fine. Okay, just see here. It will design it very excellently. Where is magic design? Okay, I'll show you how. Where is it? Okay. So what does it do is projects the images. It projects the images and it just gives you one thumb keywords for each images. That's all. Okay, keywords of each images. Quran recitation. Then it gives you. It just gives you the keywords for each images. Just go to the design over there. Very first one. Okay. I already told you. You go ahead with video. Video as your ratio. Have you got it, Sister Hafsa? Okay, let me know. If not, just let me know. Sister Sania, yes. Okay, I'll just go back. I'll show you how did I get into this. This is a home page. From here, I just switched on to create button. Onto the create, we will have gone to the video. Video. Okay. Landscape video is our aspect ratio for now. Okay. Now, let's begin. Okay, so what is an intro? Let's go ahead with intro. First, what we'll do it from the from our own uploads. Okay, I'll just go ahead with projects now. I'll take our project. For example, what is our project that we had created? Logo designing. Okay, so I'll bring my logo because we'll create that from the edit itself. Fine. One intro video we'll create. Okay, this is the digital studio. So what I'll do is I'll just put one beautiful one. So what do you want to put up here is okay. We have these many. I'll put this digital studio itself. Okay. Think that we want this digital studio as our introduction. Fine. So what we'll do, we'll just add a beautiful video behind this. Okay. So we'll just put a simple what we say what just put something like intro itself. Intro. Let's go to the videos. See, we have beautiful intro. Just type intro, you will get beautiful intros. Fine. For example, this one. Okay, I'll just take the very first one. See here. Intro. I'm preparing the intro video. Okay, so see here, what should I do over here is whenever the light comes forth, you have to project this one. Okay, whenever the light comes forth, only then you have to project that one. Fine. So I'll just select multiple. Done. I'll group it up. Okay, now see here, listen very carefully. Okay, I've brought this from the projects, right? Bring your logos. Just bring your logo from wherever you have kept. If you have downloaded it, bring it over the screen. Fine. Behind this, I've added a video, simple video. Okay, this is just like this. It's just showing the okay. So when once it glows there, you have to put your video once there is a glow there. Correct? Okay. You have to put this logo once there is a glow, not from the start, not from the starting. It should not be played from the starting. Correct? Okay. So what do? We click on this digital studio, and we have to click on something called as show timings, show element timings. Okay, show element timings. Okay, if you are seeing the timings of these elements, it is over here. Okay, we call this as timeline. Okay, we call this as a timeline. Where is our timeline? On the bottom of the screen, my dear sisters. Here, where is the timeline? This is our timeline. Got it? This is our timeline. Okay, this is called as timestamp. There is a line. Can you see that? Timestamp. We call it as timestamp. Okay, we will discuss this in detail in this video editing sessions of ours. Okay, we have a separate video editing classes. We do not do it with Canva. Canva is not a very pro video editing software. Fine, just we can do the video editing. We have a very excellent library. What do? Is we make use of two softwares because Canva has all the library in it, all the library of the videos in it, but other softwares won't have all of these options that you have it over here. All the elements you do not have it on the other software. So we get the videos from this and we design it on another software. Okay, so this is how we go ahead with video editing. Okay, almost all the YouTube editors create it with this kind of steps. Okay, they submerge two softwares in hand. Okay, so now dear sisters and brothers, I told you already this is a timeline. Fine. So now for example, okay, inshallah, video editing classes, I've not yet launched it. Inshallah, whenever I launch it, I'll be letting you know. Okay, for this next month, probably we have not yet decided the date. Inshallah, we'll be letting you know. Okay. So now, my dear sisters, here, okay, I just want to set the timings of this element. Okay, set the timings of this element. How am I going to do that? Is, okay, this is a digital studio. I want to make sure that it gets back into the screen after 4 seconds. Correct? Where is this? Where is this? This is exactly over here. Okay, once this light comes forth, only then I want it in the screen. Okay, digital. Then I'll click on the studio and I want it on the screen after this. Okay, so see here. This is how I want to make sure it is mentioned. Now I'll just change the colors because for this it doesn't look good. Digital. Then studio, I want it in another color. Okay, so okay. Then what I'm thinking of is this digital studio. I want to give it an animation. Let me give it an animation. Let it just uh, you can give any kind of animation. Stumble, tectonic, storm kind of animation is best for the introductory videos. Storm kind of animation. Okay. You can even pulsate them. Pulse kind of animation can also be given. Okay. Then the student, okay, this what I can give is for the studio is, let me just write bouncing kind of feel. Okay. So now listen carefully. I just want to play this up and show it to you. See how it looks like. Okay. So see here, you just have to move this back. Can you see this? What am I moving? Black line. What is this black line? This is called a timestamp. Wherever you place, it is where the editor shows you. Okay, it is where the editor screen shows you. Fine. I will play this up and show it to you how it looks like. Just look into the screen. Can you see that? This is how you can create a simple introductory video. Okay, this is how I created. This is how simply you can create within a second. Right? Isn't it going good? You just have to add a simple video and just project your logo into the screen. You can even add whatever the what do we say, a simple tagline you can add. Okay, conveying about the mission whatever you are putting up. Okay, that is also possible. Fine. So this is an introductory video. For example, think that you did not like this introductory video, create some other. For example, instead of this video, I'll put this as a video. And how to put it as a background, same procedure. Click on three dot button and replace it as a background. Replace it as a background. Got it? Understood it? So now, okay, for now I'll just settle down for this. For example, think that this is still here, and from here what I'm thinking of is, okay, from here I put a video on this. Okay, I'll put this video on here and I want this video to come into the screen after this, after these much second. And how do I do that? I should even set the element timings. I'll show you how this is set. I'll just go ahead with animating this video, small video. Okay, animate the small video. I'll just put it as a stomp. Okay, now look into the screen. What did I do? I placed one video above another video. You know, to place this kind of stuff, can you see that? What did I do here? Please let me know. My dear students here, please let me know what did I do here. I added this video starting from third second, correct? How many seconds? Starting from fourth second. Got it? Then I made this things pop up. You know what is video editing? You are playing with the timings. That is video editing. I'm telling you, after working for around 1,000 videos, I'm telling you, this is video editing. You are working with the timings. That's all. Setting the timings for each element is the key for video editing. Fine. This is what it is. Just look into this. What did we do? Once the light came forth from this video, I just added another video and just put this up. Okay, so this is how you can play with your videos. Got it? Please, did you try this? Can you see my screen? Can you see this one? This is the timeline. This is my original video. I have replaced it on the background. I added another video from the fourth second. And then this is my very first textual content. This is second textual content. You can add any number of any amount of things. Okay, just create it beautifully. It's all yours. You have all the things in the frame. You have so many things. For example, I want to add another page. I don't want to work on this video. I don't want to add it on another page. We have so much beautiful, so some other beautiful stuff. You can use these things as well. Okay, this also looks beautiful. You can add your own logo at the center of this, or just check it over. If, for example, if you want to check this video, Okay, this also looks good. For something like this will be useful for the news channels. Okay, news channels. If you are into the providing the news, authentic news from the other sources and just putting it up, these intros are good for those. Okay, so yes, so if you are into the kitchen field, you have some kind of intros like this also. You can go ahead with using this stuffs. Okay, for your um, cooking videos. Fine, you have the cooking intros also. You have so many beautiful intros, my dear sisters here. Come on, make use of all of these stuffs. Fine. So see here, this is also an intro. What do we call this as intro? Intro is, yes, over here once it opens up, you just have to place your logo there. Got it? So these are the intro videos that you have here. Fine. Okay, now again I want to tell you another thing. Okay, I'll just put some other intro and show it to you. Set videos background. See here, these intros. For the gaming things, these intros looks very professional. Fine. So you just have to put your logos in the center, and this fire will be glowing throughout. Okay, that looks so professional. You can even put that as well, right? So you have so many different kinds of intros. You can use all of those. Or for example, think that you are not thinking of creating yourself. We can just go ahead with the video templates and try over there intro. Go to the templates and write intro there. You have so many beautiful intros already produced there. You can just take it from them. For example, welcome to my channel. Okay, they have put it in on the various pages. Okay, so I don't want that. I'll take this one. This looks like, no, it is also in the different pages. I'll try to use this one. Yes, this is also fine. You can use some beautiful intros that are put up over there. Intro. Fine. So here, welcome. I'll just use this and show it to you. Here, welcome. They have put welcome there. I'll just put EDU-SITE. Instead of welcome, I'll just put EDU-SITE there. EDU-SITE. Okay. Symbol of excellence. Symbol of excellence. Have you understood how to design intros? Please let me know. Yes or no? Okay, this is an important topic when you are going to go ahead with designing. Fine. Okay, I have put this up here, this one here. Okay, there's something behind also. I'll just replace that and write EDU-SITE. Okay, I'll play it up and show it to you how beautiful it looks like. Just see here. Okay, so where is it from? I think it is from here. I play it from here. Just see here. EDU-SITE. The something from behind is also moving. EDU-SITE. Can you see that? Okay, so this is how you can even get it from the templates and create it. Okay, if you don't want to design, please don't design. Just go ahead with the templates and create it. That's very easy to create your own videos. Okay, now you're adding a video. For example, think that you are creating a Quranic recitation video or something.